Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we have this Lexus 450, this radio system that also controls the AC for this car. So it wasn't working and we went down to fix it. So remember this Lexus 450, the radio system also has the navigation system and the air conditioner. You can also not enjoy the air conditioner since the whole motherboard controls both the air, also the the radio part, the joystick part. So completely it's a shutdown if this system fails. So we'll be repairing the motherboard here, and now we are now fixing. Remember, you cannot go or you cannot have a good drive if the car is not running with the AC, with the radio, to be too much boring for your drive. So after repairing and everything, we are now going to the car and fix and see if it's going to work. Okay, so after fixing and everything, it was already red, and now I'm putting it on, and you can see the car is running fine. The radio is okay. If in case you have this issue, remember to reach out. I can sort you out. Thank you.